Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today, as you guys can see from the title, it is going to be a huge haul video, like a birthday haul video. These are all the gifts that I have received makeup-wise for my birthday. And I will say before I get started, I did get a really great birthday gift from my dad. It is a huge, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's down here on the floor. This black case here. It's a huge train case for my freelance makeup, so I'm really excited about that birthday gift, and I've already put the makeup products into it. If you guys hear any weird noises in the background, I do have a guinea pig. She's drinking her water, and we do have dogs in our home, so hopefully I can get through this video with no interruptions. And before we get into this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up at the end if you like it, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you aren't missing out on any videos here with me. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video and what you guys would like to see in the near future. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. So first things first, I'm just going to start with these because I got these from Burlington. It was the only thing I got from Burlington, and the package is a little bit ripped, so don't mind that. But it was only $5.99, and you get 5 pairs of lashes. These are the La Splash lashes, and I've never tried their lashes, but these look really pretty, and I couldn't pass them up, so I am really excited to give these a try. So I'm going to get into my Sephora bag here. This bag is birthday presents from my mom, so thank you so much, Mom. First things first, I got my birthday gift from Sephora. It is just a Kat Von D tattoo liner and some translucent powder. I know a lot of people were talking about the tattoo liner, the full size being the trial size. I don't know anything about that, and I'm not going to get into it, but that is the birthday gift that I picked out at Sephora. I did get a refill of my Fenty foundation because I was out of it, and you guys know, if you've been subscribed for a while, then you know I really love the Pro Filter foundation, and I am in the shade 420. Also, we went to another, we went to a different Sephora than we normally go to, and they had a couple of Violet Voss products, which I was really pumped to see. So I got the Violet Voss, the Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette, and the box packaging is just stunning. I will take it out so you guys can see what the eyeshadow looks like. So the eyeshadow palette looks just like the box, and it does have a nice full-size mirror, but here are the shadow colors, you guys. So pretty and right up my alley. So I can't wait to use this palette. I didn't even know Violet Voss had this palette. I swear I follow Trend Mood and stuff like that to see what's new, what's coming out, and somehow I missed that palette. So I'm thrilled to definitely review this one for you guys. So I did get 2 pairs of lashes. These are the Tarte Tarteist Pro lashes, and they look like that. They're super stunning. Bit dramatic, but you know, I like my lashes. I like them to be dramatic. Today I just have on some simple wispy lashes, but when I'm wearing my contacts, I like my lashes to really stand out, especially when I'm doing a dramatic look. And then I got the Sephora Collection Lash Stories, and these are Lashway, and another really pretty dramatic pair of lashes. I got the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. And I've never tried a Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. As you guys know, I did review the foundation, or at least used it in a tutorial. I think I'm going to start doing more review type videos because I feel like you guys really miss those and you might be more into them. I got the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer, and I got the shade Medium Dark Warm because I just thought that this will be a great shade for me to highlight with. And I've heard really good things about this concealer. I know That Girl Shay reviewed this concealer. If you want to see an in-depth review, I would definitely check out her channel, but I really been wanting to try that, so can't wait to give that a shot. And then I did get 2 new Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. You guys know I love these. I got Slay Tan and True Grit. So first I'll show you Slay Tan. So it's kind of like a light tan chocolatey shade, kind of. And True Grit is a really dark chocolate shade. I don't even know if it's picking up on camera, but it is gorgeous. And I just wanted a new really dark chocolate matte liquid lipstick, so I chose those 2 shades. We're going to dive into Ulta. So I went to Ulta with Nay, and I got to pick out a couple of things from there. So the NYX Swear By It palette was on sale for $17.49, so I decided to go ahead and get it because I could not see myself paying $35 for this palette. Sorry, NYX, I love you guys, but you're a drugstore brand, and I do understand that you're getting a lot of shadows, but you know, back in the day when I tried NYX shadows, I didn't think they were that great, so I haven't tried any since. I've done their pigments and their glitters, so I'm really looking forward to trying out this palette, and a lot of people that I watch here on YouTube have reviewed it and seem to really like it. I also got one of these NYX Foil Play pigments, this one right here, and it is in the shade Digital Glitch. Now, I do have another one. It's called Happy Hippie, and I haven't used it yet. I've been saving it for St. Patty's Day, so maybe I might do something with these 2 here. So this one I've already had, and so I decided to pick up that one. Also on sale was this Japanese crease blending brush, and I know like their brushes tend to be very expensive, but it was on sale for $7.49, so I wanted to test it out. I got the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. And then finally, I was able to find the NYX Flawless Finish NYX. And then finally, I was able to find the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Cocoa. And for some reason, it was on sale, so it was only like $2 and some change. I am going to actually pop some of this on right now to see if it's my shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me... It's really creamy, and it does have some nice coverage there. So, I don't know. I think that this could work. We're going to see. So definitely be giving this a review for you guys, because in order for me to get my shade, I would have had to order it online, and I just didn't see myself going onto the e.l.f. website and just ordering the foundation and not really being able to see it in person, even though the bottle is frosted. I still was like, okay, this is the darkest shade that they have. Let me grab it, because before I think the darkest shade they had was like classic tan or like warm caramel or something like that, and definitely not my shade. So next up, I went to Walgreens, and they had a display of the Rebel Rose collection, but the only thing that was left was their Catsuit High Shine lipstick, and it's in the shade Petal Poison. So it's a glossy kind of lipstick. And then I got their Kiss of Death matte liquid lipstick, which is also another really pretty shade. So I got one of each. They did have like this dusty navy kind of purple shade, but I have so many shades like that, and I know I have probably a lot of shades like this too. But I tend to gravitate more towards these shades, like the chocolate kind of shades, dark burgundy vampies, more than I do like the purples and navies. And then they had their Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadows, and this is in Fairy Tale Ending, so I decided to grab that guy. And that wasn't from the collection. I just went over to the Wet n Wild section and found that. And then at Drug Mart, they did have the highlight bars. So I got the Rose Gold bar and the Platinum bar. And as you guys can see, they were $1.24. These were the only 2 that I didn't have. I have the other 2. And then I picked up 2 extra to put in a future giveaway. We're going to get into Target. So over the past like month or so, I've been going to different Targets just to kind of see what they have, especially since I heard that some people's Target had Violet Voss and Makeup Geek, so I wanted to see if any of my local Targets did, and I did find Violet Voss lashes and Makeup Geek. It's like a 4 eyeshadow quad. So I did get a pair of my favorite lashes, and these are the Just Slayin' lashes from Violet Voss. I haven't been able to replenish my Violet Voss lashes in a while because I haven't really been ordering online a lot. I've been trying to kind of do hauls through stores because I want to see what's new, what's different, what's in, and I kind of took a break, but then you guys know I'll go back to like hauls online as well. And then I finally decided to take a leap and grab the 18 Hit Wonders e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. It's a hardback case, but the colors are just really beautiful and right up my alley. I kind of had overlooked it and passed it up because in the past I haven't really enjoyed e.l.f. eyeshadows, but you know, e.l.f. is really stepping up their game, so I decided to go ahead and grab that. And then I just grabbed another one of my e.l.f. smudge brushes that I use for packing on like glitters or shimmer shadows. And then I got a small smudge brush, which I like to use to cut the crease. And I got 2 of their crease blending brushes. I also see that Eylure came out with new lashes. These are the Eylure Luxe Cashmere lashes. And they look like this. They are dramatic and stunning. But you guys, I really had to rebuild up my lash collection. Your girl was running low on like everything. I started running out of stuff. It was crazy. So I'm glad that my birthday's coming up, March 5th, that I was able to get makeup for my birthday because, I mean, what else would I want? Makeup and wine. I also picked up this e.l.f. Moisture Lock Primer with hyaluronic acid, and it just looks like this. And then I found another why do I keep saying that? I found another e.l.f. foundation. They had more shades, and this is in the shade Spice, just in case the other shade didn't work. So let me give this a pump and see. So that's the color right there. This one doesn't feel as creamy. This one feels a little more liquidy, and this one's a little bit darker than the other one. So this one might work more for summertime, but at least in summer, I mean, is right around the corner. So at least I have 2 different shades. So now I can say I own the e.l.f. foundation, and now I can finally test it out for you guys and give you a nice review. And then I picked up a new Milani blush, because you guys know I always use Romantic Rose. This is Tea Rose, and I really do like that one, so I decided to go ahead and grab another one. Why not? I got the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, and this sponge, I felt it in the store. It is so soft, so I'm pumped for this because in the past, the e.l.f. Blending sponges have been very hard, so I'm ready for that guy. I got the Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. Heard good things about these. I got 2 of the e.l.f. Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This one is Vampy Violet. And I do have one of their matte liquid lipsticks. I think I have Primrose or like something tea. I'm not sure exactly which one I have, but I know I do have one, and I like it. It's just like a nude kind of mauve everyday shade. So I was happy to see that they have more shades. They even have a red. And then this one right here is Coffee, which of course I love my browns. So we've got the Vampy Violet and Coffee, and they are so pretty. And I really think that these liquid lipsticks wear fairly well, and I don't remember that, you know, it dried out my lips or anything like that. So, and then I seen that Rimmel had a new soft matte concealer, so it's the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer, and I got it in the shade Amber. Lastly, Walmart. So I went to a couple different Walmarts, just like I did Target, because I was looking for a picture day outfit for my daughter, and I just could not find anything for her. I ended up finding it at a different Target, but while I was at some of those Walmarts, I did find the new Wet n Wild makeup sponge, and Alexis Jada loves this sponge, so I decided I wanted to try it out, and it was only like $3.33 or something like that, so I did get 2 of them. And then I also decided I finally want to try the Flower Beauty sponge. A lot of people have been saying great things about this guy, so I figured why not. I got the new Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer, and I got Warm Tan. I also picked up another Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. This is called Behind the Bleachers. It's a really pretty shade. It's pretty interesting. Like, it's kind of like a pink, but like red. It's a berry shade. It's really pretty. Also from Wet n Wild, I see they have the new Photo Focus translucent powder. So they had deep, translucent, and banana. And of course, I got banana. And this looks like a really nice, generous size container. I picked up a new Photo Focus foundation. I got the shade Mocha because I never really had the correct shade. I believe I have Cocoa and another shade. Let me see. Well, the other one I must have gotten rid of, but I have Cocoa, and that's not really my shade. I don't know if you guys can see because it's like really light. So I seen that they had darker shades, so I'm like, let me grab that while I can and finally have the correct shade, because I would always have to make this shade kind of work. And I mean, nobody really wants to do that. I'll do it if I have to, if I really like a product, but it's good to see that they have other colors in store. I grabbed 2 of the Wet n Wild highlights, all glown up, and You Glow Girl from the Zodiac collection. And also, one of the Walmarts sold Perfusion, and I was blown away. So I decided to grab this Perfusion's eyeliner in Cobalt because I do have the black collection, and this just looks really pretty, and I like the black liner, so I know this liner is going to be good and hopefully really pigmented. I also got the Perfusion's Highlight and Contour 2 because it has 2 contour shades that I can really work with, and those highlights are beautiful. And the very last thing, I think I saved the best for last from there, is the Paradise palette from Perfusions. Now, they had like the Festival, which I wanted to get, but it was completely gone. It was wiped out. And then they had, I think, 2 other ones, and those were gone. This was the only one that was left. So I decided to grab it, and it's just really pretty. And it was only like $12 for this big, huge thing. So, yeah, now you can kind of see comparison to the NYX one, and that's about the same size. Actually, a little bit smaller in comparison. Well, I think you're getting the same amount of shadows. They are about the same size. They are. Yep, they're the same size. So 12 versus 35. So I had to wait for it to go on sale, but I'm really excited to review this for you guys. So that is it. That is everything that I hauled over a course of a month or so. And I can't wait to get in and review these products for you guys. If there's anything you guys want to see first, please let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit your bell notification. Tell everyone you know, because it really does help me out so much, especially since people are like not into makeup channels anymore. I don't know what's up with that, but kind of sucks for us, especially a little guy like me. And you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.